Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Tether from Kraken to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT safely and efficiently between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Coinbase, and that your USDT is available in your Kraken wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find Tether USDT and click on it. Next, select the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to choose the network for your withdrawal. Tether can be on networks like Tron, Ethereum, or others, so ensure it matches the one your Coinbase wallet supports to avoid any issues. For most users, Ethereum ERC20 is a safe bet, but confirm this in your Coinbase settings. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and fees. Kraken might charge a small network fee, which can vary. Then, paste your Coinbase wallet address. You can find this by logging into Coinbase, going to your wallet, and copying the USDT address. Double-check it to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Hit Review Withdrawal, and carefully verify all the details, the amount, address, and network. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once submitted, Kraken will process your withdrawal, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Coinbase account for the incoming funds. Pro tip: use the Blockchain Explorer to track your transaction and ensure it's confirmed. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this should be quicker than ever. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Tether from Kraken to Coinbase. This method keeps your assets secure and helps you manage your crypto portfolio like a pro. If you run into any snags, check the help sections on both platforms or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.